we're going to go through some of the properties of linear. So this is a linear function. We've got to find the slope in the y-intercept. So what we want to do is, this is a linear function. We know we have x is technically, or sorry, y is to the power of 1 and x is to the power of 1. So that's one of the ways we can tell this is a linear function. To easily tell something is, or to find the slope in the y-intercept of a linear, we can set it up where we set everything equal to y, and we write y equals mx plus b. Whatever value or numeric values are in place of the m, that will be the slope. And whatever numeric values in place of the b will be the y-intercept. So this way we can visually tell algebraically what they are without having to graph it. So we can take this and we can just rearrange it. Because y is negative on this side, I'm actually only going to move the y term to the right side. So we get 18 minus 3x is equal to 2y. We do need y to be a coefficient of 1. So we're going to divide everything by the value of 2. When we do that, I'm just going to move it over here. We use triple for equals. We'll get y is equal to 9. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Minus 3 over 2x. Okay, this actually ends up being our m, and this is our b. So this is positive 9, so our y-intercept is positive 9. And our m, our slope, is negative 3 over 2. Okay, this is a quadratic. We can also go through some of the properties of a quadratic very quickly by looking at it. Because this is in vertex form, we can very easily find the vertex. Vertex form is y is equal to a x minus h squared plus k. And your vertex, the x value of the vertex and the y value of the vertex are actually the h value and the k value in this form. So we can visually see this. So looking at this, the h value is normally negative, so it's positive here. So we actually have to flip it. So the vertex is negative 3, and the y value is negative 2. So we found the vertex very quickly. It's a negative 3 and negative 2. The equation of the axis of symmetry is the x value of the vertex. So the equation of axis of symmetry is, because you want it to be a vertical line, you're going to say x is equal to, and whatever the x value of the vertex is negative 3. So that's the equation of the axis of symmetry. That would be the invisible line going through the middle of the quadratic. Which way does it open? We look at the a value for this. If the a value is positive, it opens up. And if a is negative, it opens down. In this case, a is negative 7. So we know this opens downwards. Okay. Depending on which way it opens, it has a max or a min. If it opens up, it has a minimum value, and it has a maximum value. So does it have a max or a min? Well, because it opens downwards, it has a max value. And the max value is actually whatever the y value of the vertex is. So the max value would be negative 2 in this case.